Hello guys, review Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, Type-C cable to Type-C, protected back cover case, protected case, and device, of course, in complementation, blue color, teal color, and this all complementation without adapter for charging. Okay. On the back side, triple camera and LED. On this side, power button and warm buttons. On this side, without controls. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, and microphone, and slot for SIM card. Display we have 6.7 inch, Full HD Plus resolution, POLED 120 Hz. Open settings, we have Android 15. Okay. And open tests. Open Geekbench 6. We have MediaTek Dimensity 7300 CPU, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU we have Mali G650. Single-core score, multi-core score, GPU test results, and open onto the benchmark. Look onto the benchmark score. Onto the benchmark score. And open PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load, PUBG Mobile, and works on the very high graphic level. It's not maximum graphic level, but it's good. Works good. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see camera. We have max zoom 10x. Video recording we have Full HD and 4K. 4K only 13 FPS or 60 FPS in Full HD. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.